You're on.
Hi again to fractions. Now the numerators, the tops are in black, the bottoms are in red, they're denominators, but I'm just going to talk tops and bottoms. So my one rule, multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. So the top becomes 2. Now here's where people come unstuck. A lot of people don't know 6 3s are 18. Some of you are going, what, that's so easy to do, but it's not for others. So I'm not going to talk about why that's 18. The whole point of this is about what's going to happen now. I have an even number on the top and I've got an even number on the bottom. Now hopefully you're okay with evens, but the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and on it goes. And we're adding 2 each time. Even numbers can split in half. So I can get even, turn the 2 into a 1 and split it in half. I can split 4 into half, I can take time and even show you how 4 can split in half. So if I split it in half, I've got 2 and 2. So go back to this one here, I can split the 6 in half and I get 3. So if I split that in half, I get 3. And if I split that in half, I get 1. The good part is now the numbers are smaller, and instead of doing your 6 times tables, we're only doing the 3 times tables. So now I could do the question as 1 over 3 3s, you got a 3 and a 3 is 6 and another 3 is 9 and we've got it as 1/9, which is the better answer. One of the funny things about fractions is really that's acceptable, but in class you'll often be expected, and in assessments expected to do that. One more thing, we could just make the numbers a little bit different. So if I made that a 6 and I made that a 3, and I made that a 4. The annoying part is now it's not about halving, because you can't half the 3. But we can talk about what goes into 3 that also goes into 6. So these are actually your 3 times tables, not your 2 times tables. So here's your 3 times tables here, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So if I go 3 into 3 goes once, I can, because it's a top, I can also go 3 into 6 goes twice. And again, instead of doing a 6 times tables, now we only have to do your 2 times tables. So that's the advantage of cancelling. This is called cancelling, a top with a bottom. So 1 1's a 1, and instead of going 6 4s, you can go 2 4s. So you could sit there and go 4 and 4 is 8, and 2 4s are 8, and there's your best answer. So if you wanted to do 6 4s, you could do it, but now it's easier because you only have to go 2 4s.